Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Spanish Town. So we are on Brunswick Avenue, heading towards the center of Spanish Town basically, or the Burke Road area. So as you know, Spanish Town is probably the fourth largest town in Jamaica. It has the fourth largest population in Jamaica. It's actually the capital of the parish of St. Catherine, and St. Catherine is the second largest parish in Jamaica. Now, back in the day, probably 400 or 500 years ago, Spanish Town was actually the capital of Jamaica when Jamaica was a colony of Spain. However, when Jamaica became a colony of England, Spanish Town was no longer or Kingston basically became the capital under the English. So this is Spanish Town. It's a very large town, very historic town, and as you can see, it's very developed. So, because it's been around for about 500 years, so you find that the areas around Spanish Town have become very populated, and one of the areas on the outskirts of Spanish Town is Portmore. Has really developed over the years, and it has a very large population now. And Portmore actually started as probably like just as on the outskirts of Spanish Town because it was so close to Spanish Town. And Portmore has grown so large now that it's going to become a parish soon. So Spanish Town is where you would find all the government infrastructure. You have the fire station, the police stations, quite a few. You have all the banks, all the government agencies. Basically, all the major companies would have an office in Spanish Town, and all the food places like KFC, Burger King, Island Grill have locations over here. Very populated area. Outside of Kingston, which has the largest population, you have Portmore and Spanish Town. So we're on Brunswick Avenue, and we're going to turn onto Yonge Street and then head towards Burke Road. And within Spanish Town, you have a lot of communities. You have a lot of schools. It's a very developed town. It actually could be the third city in Jamaica quite easily. I'm not sure why it's not designated a city, but right now only Kingston and Montego Bay are designated cities. Portmore is actually designated as a municipality. Spanish Town could easily be a city. Has all the infrastructure. It has a hospital. So if anybody knows why Portmore isn't, Spanish Town isn't designated like a city, then let us know. You can leave a comment in the section below. So okay, we are on Yonge Street now. Yonge Street is actually a one-way that runs from Brunswick to Burke Road. As you can see, the roads could use some fixing up, but this is like a secondary road. I mean, you should see the state, some of the main roads like Burke Road. I mean, if they can't fix that road, then clearly this road isn't going to get any attention right now. As you can see, this is a very developed city. On the left and the right, there's literally no empty lots. So that's why you find places like Angels is a very large residential area, because basically the town is, as you would say, full. So persons have to start developing the outskirts like Angels. And that's why one of the reasons why Portmore grew so fast. Alright, if we continued straight, we would take Yonge Street all the way to Burke Road, but we're going to turn here and go on to I'll show you some more of the town. This is another very busy area. We're going to turn right here and go on to French Street. Just to give you guys a tour basically of how busy the place is. Okay, we are on Wellington Street and we're turning right onto French Street. So these persons on the right now, they operate the parking spaces, so you pay them and you park basically on the right and on the left. Now that lady in the blue, she works with the St. Catherine Parish Council. They also operate parking spaces down here. So straight ahead, when you come around this corner now, this is where the government collects the fee for parking. Okay, so I guess we're just gonna park right here. So when you park over here, you have to pay the government to park, or the St. Andrew Parish Council to be exact. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day. So straight ahead on the left, that's French Street.